I'm so glad you're here. My name is Nicole Donahoe, owner of Teddyfly. As an author and storytelling coach, I am super excited to be launching this playlist. Within this playlist, I'm going to be talking all about storytelling. We're going to talk about creating characters, crafting worlds, and how to construct a fun to read story. All the elements that every young writer wants. Well, I should say young and old, because even if you don't fall in the 3rd through 12th grade range, you still might enjoy watching these videos and doing the activities. Here's what you can expect within this playlist. There's some videos that are specific for instructors or teachers, whoever's going to be the on-site person that wants to use these videos with your students. Those videos will explain things in depth of the best way that I have found to teach these things to students within my live workshops. Next, you'll find lesson videos. The lesson videos will explain a specific storytelling technique that you can teach to your students. And lastly, there will be activity videos. In the activity videos, you guessed it, the students will be participating in an activity. I hope you enjoy these online writing workshops and activities. At Teddyfly, we're on a mission to help 1 million storytellers entertain, educate, and inspire others, all through the art of storytelling. Be sure that you like and subscribe to the channel so you don't ever miss any new videos or content. That's all I have for now. Let's jump in and have some fun. We have books that are helping. I hope that you enjoy these Here's what to expect within the playlist. I'll have some videos that are. Here's what you can expect within this playlist. There's some videos